Hello, Professor. This video is my name is Bhavna Bullapalli and my partner name is Suruchi Reddy Kotla. This video is for the explanation of ICP5 of Big Data. Here, initially, we have imported the necessary libraries and like TensorFlow, NumPy, OS, and time. And we have in the step 2, we have imported the file required from the local system using Google Colab. And here we are taking the text file, namely this text file, which is of this size. And here I have read the text file and I've printed the length of the text file which I've taken. It has 1,07,390 characters. And in the step 4, we have printed the first 250 characters in the text, and the output is shown here. Here we have sorted the characters which we have taken, and we have printed the unique characters in the text. We have first 250 characters in the text, and it shows like it has 82 unique characters, and we have printed the output here. It has unique characters of this accordingly. And in this step, we are mapping the unique characters to the particular index. Like each and every unique character will have its own index. And in the next step, we are taking a sequence length of 100 so that we can estimate the epochs accordingly based on the length of text and sequence length. And we are printing the first 5 characters in the text which we have taken. And in this step, we are printing the first 5 sequences based on the sequence length, and the output is shown here. Here you can see like we have printed the first 5 sequences. And for the above printed sequences, we have taken the input text and target text. Input text is something which starts from for example, here input text is something which starts from, how do you mean, it will start from the index 0. And for the target text, it eliminates the first character and it prints the remaining. It will take the remaining characters in the sequence. So this is the input data and this is the target data, and it's printed here. This is here we have printed the input and target data of sequence 1. And here we have taken batch size of 32. This is the first one we have made, and here we have taken the batch size of 32 so that it will be more accurate. And here we have taken the buffer size of 10,000 so that when one batch is finished, it has the capacity of taking 10,000 characters, so that there won't be any issues. Here for building model, we need embedding dimension and vocab size, which is the length of the vocab we have taken in the above code. And here we are taking the embedding dimensions of 256, and we are taking RNN units of 2048. Here we are building a sequential model, and we are taking four layers: embedding layer, GRU layer, LSTM layer, and dense layer. This is the layer which we added now. And here we are calling the building model function. This is the function we have called here, and this is the code which we have written here. And here we are printing the batch prediction size. It has batches of this, and it has sequence lengths of this, and it has vocab size of this. Here we are printing the model summary, and the output is shown here. It has params and trainable params of this. And here we are predicting the index for the next character, and we have written the code for that here, and this is the output. Here we are printing the prediction shape and the scalar loss of the example batch for the batches which we have taken, and the output is printed here. Here we are using Adam optimizer for the compilation of the model, for running the next process. And here we are taking the checkpoints. Here for execution of model, we are using a box of 15, so that it will be the whole batch will be run, the 15th whole model will be run 15 times, and it will be more accurate. And we are for overfitting and all, we are using model.fit, and we are sending the checkpoints, epochs, and dataset accordingly, and we have run it here 15 times so that the loss will be reduced. Here we have the build model. We have built the model here, and we have summarized it, and this is the output. And for here for generation of the text, we are sending the model and its starting string. And here we have here the code is written for printing, for getting the data accordingly. And here we have printed generated the text by sending the model and starting with debug. This is the output which we have got after passing this. This is the output, and this is the end of the ICP5. Thank you.